I'm sitting in the car right now. Pops is working his magic on the scales. I thought I'd make a note or tell you guys, let you guys know. So last year, during one of the last races I ran, my digital dashboard, while it continued to work, the language thing quit working, so everything just read Chinese. This is kind of what it was doing. So I ended up getting a hold of the guys at Sinco Tech iSpeed, just asking them if they had any troubleshooting ideas, and they just sent me an entire replacement head unit. Works perfectly, and I can read it now. So I just wanted to send a shout out to those guys. That was pretty solid. Nice work. Thank you very much, guys.